Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on the Discord platform, where I stream live every day, and I stream all my trades, and I trade live during the European session and during the American session. Usually starting at around 10 o'clock Central European time. And I continue on to around this time right now. So this is like the 10 o'clock in the evening in Central European time, and that's when you can watch me on Discord, where I stream live. Okay, now let's time for the daily recap of what happened today on the DAX 30 index. The one that I trade all the time. Well, other people say there are other instruments we can trade. I say, okay, fine. For me, one is enough. I can trade the only one. Okay. So, basically, what we see here is that today DAX 30 was in kind of a bullish tendency consolidation. Well, because the day was on the bullish side, practically almost from the very beginning. However, you can see that just before the Frankfurt opening, there was a resistance, and the market suddenly plunged down and made a retest or a retrace, and then went back up, and then started going down again, right? And after that, again, consolidated, started moving up, went back down, started moving up, didn't quite know what to do, made a fool out of some people, and then returned going back up. Okay, so these are my trades for today. Now, what happened right there? When I got up, and I came, opened my computer, started watching the market, I kind of, I think I wasn't woken up yet, because I started measuring out the market, and I figured out, okay, so let's look at it out. Let's look at it. There's some kind of a low right here, and okay, I thought, let's do it like this. Let's pull the Dadas, the DSWS somewhere. Shit, I don't like that. I mean, it's not my fault. It's more like the fault of the platform. Yeah, let's move let's adjust the DSWS in such a way that the R5 line comes up here in this kind of a level of a ceiling, right? Of a potential ceiling. And I thought, okay, let's go long here. So I used the Dadas trade ruler, but somehow I didn't like this measurement or something. And I was looking back here. I found something like this, and then I think I got lost in all those lines. I didn't think about where the price was, and I clicked on the button buy, on the buy button. And all of a sudden I got a trade, and immediately it disappeared. Well, basically, I didn't know what happened, but then I checked the trade, and I said, oh shit, yeah, I actually opened the trade right under the take profit line. So, the trade was filled and immediately closed, because the price immediately moved and it was closed. Yeah. So, anyways, I started laughing to myself a little bit, because funny situation, but still, almost 3 pips. Anyways, I said, yeah, I mean, everything looks like we are getting a nice price right here, a good price at this context, right? For this context, we're getting a nice price here. The price is good because it's near the yellow filter, right? Trend filter. And everything kind of fits, yeah? So I thought, okay, so I'm going in long. So I got in long, and you can see that, yeah, the price made a little bit, a small movement down, bounced off almost immediately of the ETP SSF, the bullish one right here. Yeah, the thick green line, and started moving up. It started moving up, then hesitated for a while. I trailed my stop loss, and I got exactly 36 pips, 36.1. A very good trade, even though, if I had waited another 5 minutes or so, I would have gotten about 17 pips more, so that would have been like over 50 pips. Still a very good trade, right? So basically, that's basically the only very good trade I made today. All the rest of the trades are well, I would say that the next one, the short, wasn't so bad, yeah. However, it was a little bit low. I mean, taking in considering the situation that we have a support here, right? We have a support right here that the price has already confirmed once and confirmed the second time. Well, maybe I was coming in a little bit too late, but nevertheless, the price wasn't that bad. It was pretty near the yellow filter line, and I had the trend behind my back, because there was like an impulse, a pullback, and then a return to the trend. However, I was counting a little bit more, but you see, I was even trailed right there, but I got out manually, because I thought that I kind of realized the situation, that this is some kind of a level which is pretty dangerous to count for more. So I got out, and I actually did the right thing. I mean, if I hadn't gotten out right there, I would have been, again, pretty nervous about the whole situation, about where the price is going, and then I would have to react right there again. I mean, luckily, the market gave another opportunity, but okay, I missed this whole movement. Well, for many reasons, but I missed this whole movement. So yeah, so this is a typical thing that I can't get rid of doing, because I shouldn't be doing that. I mean, I shouldn't be doing this. I mean, a good entry price was somewhere right there when the trend was developing, and it nicely showed all the symptoms right here of coming out, right? So basically, maybe this context would have been a good one, or perhaps it was just simply this context all the time, right? So basically, any good entry price was somewhere right here. Somewhere right here was a good entry price, and then the market, then all the trading and then all the other stuff would have been appropriate right there. Well, but knowing me, this is what I did. So yeah, because I figured out, well, it looks like it's bullish, right? It's strongly bullish, and the market just broke out. Now it's coming back. I got some trend behind my back, so I get in, right? Seemed like even the price wasn't so bad, but the market came back down and then came back up, and then it gave me a little bit opportunity of profit, but then came back down again. So this really made me nervous, because it's like over 20 minutes of waiting, and the market isn't showing any let's say any mm, uh, doesn't want to go up. Well, yeah. So the market refuses to go up, and basically, I look left. I see this level, this potential level of resistance. I said, oh shit, I got in a bad moment. I got to get out because I have some profit. Well, you see that the market actually reached this level pretty nicely, and then turned around and started going back down to in order to retest this level again. And then it made a nice bullish price action, showing let's 1, 2, 3, and let's go, right, exactly right here, let's go, and and it went up pretty rapidly. Yeah. I don't think I don't know if I saw this or not. Anyways, when the market was right there, well, first of all, I was thinking of short right here. I was thinking of short, but and I was even measuring something. I don't remember either. I was measuring this or what, and then the price suddenly started moving down. I was even thinking of getting in short right there, before the scandal. Now, the price initially started moving quickly down, and then it moved back up rapidly. So, in this situation, I thought to myself, oh shit, this really looks like a long and not a short, right? So, I measured it out something like this, perhaps even moved this line a little bit higher so as to find this this kind of pivot level, right? And I thought, oh well, the market is going up, right? And I measured it out like this. No, come on, not like this. Let's move. Let's do it again. Yeah, first I did this, then I did this, right? And I thought, okay, let the market go up. I'm gonna go up with the market, and it seemed to me like like a perfect long, like 100% long. It actually seemed to me like 100% long, so I wasn't really worried about this stop loss. And you see what the market basically showed me. Yeah, it showed me the middle finger, right? Now the frustrating thing is that they showed me the middle finger, and then they started moving up, and basically, well, they almost reached even almost reached the take profit that was right there. There was my take profit was like right there. I don't know if you can see. There's a little blue line. Yeah. A little blue line behind that yellow one. It says sometimes if yeah, see, yeah, it says TP and so on. Yeah. So right, but at this situation when they took my stop loss out, and that was a pretty big hit because it's like minus 40 pips. And that was I practically lost the whole day, with about $3 behind, minus $3. So not a lot, but still, I mean, like I did all the work, and now I lost all the work, right? So I got in right here because I thought, okay, at this moment, looks like they're going down. So I got in short at 0.6. I thought, okay, if they're going down, maybe they're gonna go down another 40 pips, so I can make up for my loss. Well, you see, I kind of got the situation right there after the scandal. I thought I saw that the price basically stopped. You see, a flat stop right here. Flat stop, and yeah. So I thought, okay, at least I've made back $10 out of that loss. So yeah, not everything, but I'm still in plus in the whole day, right? In a small profit in the whole day. So I closed it. Yeah. So did I do the right thing? Yeah, I did the right thing. I mean, I didn't know that. Absolutely didn't know that. Because you see, I put my take profit right there. Because I thought, okay, so if they are moving back down, so maybe they're gonna retest the floor level again. So yeah, but you see what they did? They just turned around and started moving up, and you know the initial position right here would have been in profit. Yeah, but I didn't see this move. I came back and I saw this move, and I said, oh shit. And what do I do again? I start thinking of profit, right? And got in at 1.5. Why? Because I thought, okay, it's the end of the day, the last hour. So it's so now they're gonna just go up, up, right? And again, what do I do after the candle stopped right there? I said, oh boy, something's wrong right here, right? The market gave me here a fright, right? Because they started coming back down. And now you see again, if I had entered at a better price, so somewhere right there, then I would have been over 20 pips already right there. Because it says 27.5 pips where I got out. Okay, 20, let's say 26, right? So getting in at a good price would have given me 26 pips. Not just 5.6, because I got in at a bad price. One more time, I got in at a bad price. And the market again does something funny, goes back, and then all of a sudden decides to go up again, right? At the end of the day. And basically, not very far from this take profit. I mean, not very far from this take profit. And when I closed this trade and posted it on my Discord server, on the Discord, right, on Dada's trading room, I wrote in Polish right there that knowing life, they will probably hit my take profit. Well, they didn't actually hit my take profit, but I mean, the day is not over yet. I mean, in about 10 minutes, the break will be over, and we might expect, you know, the price to be already there. I don't know. I'm not sure, but you know, there's a great chance that it's going to be like that. Well, anyways, yeah. That's what happened today. Again, the result is not so bad because I'm in profit. So I've recovered almost everything. I mean, not everything. I recovered like about $20 out of the 26 that I lost. But altogether, I am in profit today, of course. And you can see that my account is growing slowly. And that's the point, that is growing slowly, right? As you can see right there, that I had let me scroll this. See, minus 26. So altogether, it's like this. This is today's profit. This is today's profit. This is today's profit. This is today's profit. So this whole thing sums up to about $22, something like that. 22 and a bit, right? Maybe almost $23. So that means that this makes me a loss of $3 and something altogether, right? And this makes me in profit by $7 something, and this makes me in profit by 16 to $17 around. Yeah. So basically, I am in profit. So right. However, I'm absolutely frustrated at some of my trades. I'm sorry. I mean, I've got very good tools. I mean, like even right here, we don't see a bearish trend yet. So basically, thinking about a bearish entry, I would have to do something like this, right? Then I would have to measure out. I mean, I would have to fan it this way. Look at a potential level of a floor right here. So look at a potential level of a floor. Let's say somewhere, I would put it somewhere right here, intuitively, right? Because yeah, market could go further down, but yeah, I would put it right there. And then I would have to. This is not important. I didn't ask for that. Okay, like this. So yeah, and now you see basically here is the moment where the price breaks down, but the market doesn't give us a good opportunity to get in at a good price. So basically there is no short right there, and the market is returns back up. Then we can start measuring and looking at the situation to go up. But again, the market doesn't give us a good price right there. It gives us a good price right there. So it gives us a good price right there. And basically, well, yeah, it makes this strange movement back. But the take profit is already right there on this candle. On this candle, there's, the take profit is already taken out. And well, it's not a very clear situation because basically I would have either gotten trailed stop at this level, which would have given me 19 pips, or or I would have been trailed stop at this level, so that would have been 20 something pips. Any way we look at it, would have been better than getting in at some stupid price out over there, at a stupid price which is basically at a resistance level, right? So to go in long at a resistance level, who does that? Only newbies. And from a person like me, you should expect that I don't do such things. Yet I still do such things. And that's frustrating. It's actually frustrating. Okay, anyways. Thanks a lot for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. I'm just showing you everything. It doesn't matter good or bad. I'm not showing you anything like I'm doing fantastic or making millions or whatever. No, I'm just doing my thing, but I have moments where I simply screw up. Anyways, thanks a lot. Please like, please subscribe if you already haven't, to my YouTube channel, of course. Now all the other links are below in the description. You'll find the invitation to my Discord server. If you wish to have to see more videos, more interesting videos, well, then you need to become my patron on patreon.com/Dada Trading System Workshop. For as little as $17 per month, $17 per month, you will be granted the VIP role on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server, and you will be able to get a lot of interesting benefits like access to special content, to special videos. Of course, I will be making videos in English too. Right now I have more English and Polish because I don't have English speakers over there. I think I got 2 or 3 English speakers, but they are not very interested in trading. Yeah, just chatting perhaps sometimes. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Like I said, all the links are down below in the description. And well, keep safe, keep clean, and be healthy. And see you next time. Bye.